found some plants in this Cebu garden centre that I'd never seen before in the UK. Let's see which ones caught my eye. The first thing that grabbed my attention was the bougainvillea. The colours were incredible. There were plenty of familiar favourites too, including these colourful geraniums. The nursery had a huge range of flowering shrubs which went off in every direction.
I like this one.
Oh, that's nice. Let's just have a look round and then we'll see. Cactus and succulents, yeah.
That's rice. I mean, that's what you call that, the skin of rice. So
Oh, they put that on top of
they
the...
use that
yeah.
as fertilizer.
Ah,
We have this in the house too.
yeah.
Big na, so we make it like a Christmas
Big
tree,
one.
just put lights on it.
Ah, nice. These orchids were stunning and in fantastic condition.
Nice.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Very good. Some of these philodendrons were absolutely massive. What's that, you think?
I think what's this?
Happy
Happy
plants.
plants.
Oh. Would any of these survive a UK winter?
If not almost of the
Bawas pa
really.
Oh, shaded area.
Yeah,
It's
morning
morning
sun.
sun, mga 20 minutes, enough na.
These are
Shower
nice.
lang siya. A kind of black zizi or welcome plant.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. It's ready for discriminated na niya.
This was probably my favourite area in the entire garden centre.
I-mix na nila.
350 with pot? Yeah. Is that right?
Yeah,
Ready
that's
for
correct.
display. Actually,
You're learning.
Yes,
Yeah.
of water.
Would this survive a UK winter?
No
Spray
need
lang.
siya.
No
Oo.
need for
No need for water daghan.
Spray lang.
Onya
Spray,
ang
a little bit of spray.
Anya ang mahibawan ninyo
Nice,
nga
that
plants.
sounds, that sounds
Yeah,
perfect.
ang mahibawan nga ma-overwater, the plants will overwatered, it becomes brown and
If somebody finds you a plant, you get the one that you want.
Yeah.
There were tropical plants everywhere you looked. Snake plant. Oh.
You have someone.
How do you look after that one? Does she say?
You gotta talk to that plant every day.
Oh, you've just got to talk to it.
Spray some water every
But just spray it. Is it just?
So I need one more snake plant for Jason.
Rona, what are you going for? No, keep looking. There's no rush. Is that not money plant?
oh yes,
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
the money tree.
Yeah, you see.
The other one is
Somebody asked for a money plant, didn't they?
Yes, the Seno.
Jano. Which one?
Can you have the happy plant? Yan lang.
Of course you can. Yeah. Which one is that? The one you want?
Happy plant. Thank you, Dave.
Just, who wanted a cactus?
Yeah. So all of these.
So
Or how
na siya
about this
normal, na siya ayaw na
They're
siya kay
succulents,
it's ano
yeah.
propagation.
Ah,
This is
okay.
stable, kana stable.
They grow.
They
They're
want
very
stable.
easy to look after.
Money tree is makaong yung seeds. Kung mamunga siya kay makaong. So kana siya seeds gila
Okay, so
siya.
you can eat the seeds of the money.
Oh, you can actually eat the seeds.
Kaya lambing kay it's just like
It will go up to how tall?
Peanut?
It will grow up to how tall?
yeah. Just like look at the
This-
monstera.
That one there.
Makaon na siya.
It was trending in TikTok.
Yeah, and it's kuan na siya like fruit salad.
Yeah.
Atis, pineapple.
Right, let's put them and then see how many more we need to get.
Seno will have more money.
More money with a money plant. So how many have we got so far?
But this one is sleeping because dili siya mo-open. It's still sleeping.
But it open.
And then the,
Yeah.
or does it always stay
So
asleep?
it's sleeping photos because
Because
hindi
it
na
always
siya-
sleeping.
Good for indoor also because all like plants it helps your in the house.
Yeah, air
oxygen,
circulation.
yeah.
Yeah, that's,
Oh,
that's
that would
what
be
I'm
good for
really
somebody.
targeting, yeah. 250.
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
Ako lang butang ang pibos para
Yep.
look like
She's,
beautiful.
she makes it look beautiful. I love
Yeah.
it. Thank you.
I think I'm gonna switch to this.
Use,
Welcome plant.
but you know what?
Water lang ha. This one
Yeah.
is water. The rest, kana siya
They're
ayaw.
hard.
Ayaw siya. Kani siya ayaw siya water. Kani siya i-water.
Okay.
Then kani i-water.
This is a good place.
Yeah, you like it?
That was successful, wasn't it? It's amazing though that you've got a place like this. It's just like you feel in the, you're like in the jungle. Nice. Let's have a look.
We also have this one, Dave.
Oh, that looks like a Christmas tree. Have we got everyone's plants or not? Do we still need some more?
We're just missing Q.
Q,
which
what
is
should we get for Q then?
bougainvillea. And
These ones?
so this is
Likes that.
500.
Yeah, that's nice.
So our bill there is 1,215.
And 500 for that. Yeah, yeah. And is that, have we got everyone in plan now?
We got everyone covered.
If I had the climate for it in Newcastle, I'd definitely be taking home some of those bougainvillea.
Yes, we got
Oh,
everyone.
we definitely got everyone's, yeah? So, let's get all the, I'll take a, like, if, of all the plants
Yeah.
together. Let me know in the comments which plant was your favourite, and don't forget to subscribe for more garden adventures. There we go.